Welcome to Vehicle Insights. Is this Honda's new off-road king? Meet the 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport, an SUV built to tackle trails, mud, and everything in between, while keeping you comfortable on the daily grind. But does it live up to its rugged reputation? Let's break it down. One glance, and it's clear the TrailSport is built for adventure. Honda gave it a bold new look with an aggressive grille, rugged matte black accents, and a beefy front skid plate for added protection. It sits higher than the standard Passport, thanks to a factory lift kit, giving it an impressive 8.5 inches of ground clearance. And these 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires? Perfect for digging into trails or plowing through snow. And of course, no TrailSport is complete without this badge, a symbol of Honda's growing off-road legacy. When it comes to performance, the TrailSport is more than just a tough-looking SUV. Under the hood, you get Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, putting out 285 horsepower and paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The real magic happens here. Honda equipped the TrailSport with a torque-vectoring rear differential, sending power to the wheels that need it most. Add to that Honda's intelligent traction management system with dedicated snow, mud, and sand modes, and you've got a vehicle ready to handle whatever the trail throws at it. And don't worry about getting wet. This thing has improved water-fording capability, so shallow rivers and puddles are no match. Inside, Honda found the sweet spot between rugged and refined. The TrailSport exclusive leather seats with orange stitching are water-resistant and designed to handle whatever your adventure brings. The tech is just as impressive. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, and the 10-speaker premium audio system makes your road trip playlist sound amazing. Need space for your gear? The TrailSport offers up to 83.5 cubic feet of cargo space, making it perfect for camping trips or hauling equipment. Safety is where Honda always shines, and the TrailSport is no exception. The Honda Sensing Suite comes standard with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. But for off-roaders, the real game changer is the surround view camera system. It gives you a clear view of your surroundings, so you can navigate tight trails with confidence. So, is the 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport worth it? Starting at $48,500, it's a competitive option in the off-road SUV market. With its rugged capabilities, premium features, and Honda reliability, it's a serious contender for the title of off-road king. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who wants a capable daily driver with weekend warrior potential, the TrailSport checks a lot of boxes. But what do you think? Does it live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Vehicle Insights. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Until next time, happy trails